Welcome to Culinary Arts!
The Culinary Arts program at Bergen County Technical High School in Paramus alternates students between two areas of study, Culinary Arts and Pastry Arts. During the Pastry Arts portion, students are introduced to the field of commercial baking through direct application of skills in practical situations. Students learn to read and work with commercial recipes, including proportional, resizing of recipe quantities, measuring of ingredients, and mixing techniques for batters, dough, fillings, and icings. Through a combination of classroom work and hands-on practice, students gain expertise in mixing, molding, shaping, designing, and baking a variety of breads, pastries, and other baked items. During the Culinary Arts portion, students are afforded the opportunity to learn a variety of culinary and food preparation and presentation techniques using foods commonly used in restaurants, cafeterias, and commercial settings. In addition, students learn table service, dining room protocol, and business operation for an overall introduction to the culinary arts field. Whether their chosen area of concentration is pastry or culinary, each student will be exposed to both areas and will receive instruction in kitchen safety and sanitation. Proper instruction in the use of kitchen tools, ovens, and food handling and storage gives students a foundation for work in the classroom and beyond. Finally, an introduction to business operations gives students an opportunity to connect their kitchen and baking skills to the work environment. Having completed a college prep academic program, graduates have the option of going on to post-secondary education in culinary arts or traditional 2 to 4 year studies. Upon completion of the culinary arts program, students may have the opportunity to earn certification in Foundations of Restaurant Management, levels 1 and 2, and ServSafe.